Hi guys, it is time to open up the December Potomac Beads Treasure Edition box. This is the box that comes with stash beads, usually a tool, and some sort of stringing material, and it does not have the kits. That is the kit edition, and the kit edition comes with everything that you need to complete 3 different projects, and usually more than what you need to complete them, so you end up with extra beads for your stash. But this is for you to flex your creative muscles and be able to do this, and it looks like our treasure box is Christmas themed. That's what's going on with this one, because this is the December treasure box. And let's just read our description real quick. Bold and bright lights above a pristine blanket of shimmering snow. Soft pearlescent angels hover in every storefront vignette downtown. This month's treasure box features merry and bright colors of Czech glass, as well as a touch of snow white that marks the winter holiday season. So we can have some basic stringing techniques. All right, and that's what it looks like we have for stringing. They sent us some beading cord. So we've got that. There's our stringing material. Last month we had stretch cord, and let's see what our tool is. Bead stoppers. And that just makes it so that you can string stuff on one end of your beading wire or cable, and you put this on the other end and it keeps your beads from falling off. All right, so let's pull all of these things out of this box, because I am going to be organizing them into my favorite bead organizers. And the reason I organize them into this instead of just keeping them in this fantastic box, which is, by the way, I love these boxes. They are exactly the right size for a lot of art supplies. I have put washi tape over it and used it as a gift box. They are useful boxes, but if I keep it in the box, I'm not going to use it because I can't see it. That's why I organize it. So I'm going to pull all of these out. We'll start going through it, and I will start organizing it into my organizer. It looks like we're getting a lot of beads that, ooh, this is something they make. They're at Potomac Beads. They have laser cut beading things, and this is so pretty. Look at that. You could bead around it, you could bead onto it, you could leave it just as it is. But that's pretty nice. I'll get some of these. That was my girl Natalie. She is laying on the ground making noises. She likes to roll around on her back and go yarn. All right, we have a lot of stuff. So let's go down our list here. So that's the laser cut ornament tree form. That's what this one is. It is not going to fit in this box, so I'm going to have it separately. We have some Czech glass Christmas trees. Where's our Christmas trees? There we go. Take a look at these Christmas trees. These are delightful. So it looks like we have 2 silver ones. So you could probably do some earrings with these ones. You've got one with kind of a gold finish, and then a lighter one with, it looks like, an AB finish on it. I'm gonna stick these right in here. Gonna get this started, putting them right away. And then we've got some Czech pearl petals. These are 22 millimeter. That is pretty. This would be great. Probably in a big focal in a necklace. That's probably how I'm going to use those. Then we've got some spike beads. I love spike beads. Y'all know I love spike beads. And they are white, and they are 5 by 13. So we got our icicles. All right, and then some Czech faceted rounds. We've got 5mm, and there are 2 colors of those. Where's our... Which ones are these? Smooth Rondels. So are these rounds or are they fire polish? Looks like they both have kind of an AB finish on them. One has a nice icy light blue, and this one, the green, it's got little sparkles and shines of blue on it. I am going to mix these together in one of my compartments. All right. Then we've got some Czech glass angel wings. Let's get these put away. And they are icy looking. They definitely are saying something about the winter weather to me. I say this while I'm sitting here in Texas, and it just barely got cold enough for the mosquitoes to die, which is when you know it's winter. All right, we've got some Patomic Pearls. They are 2mm pearls. And you know, unlike some other companies' pearls, I have never had the coating on the Potomac Pearls come off when I scratched it with my fingernail. I am going to keep these on the strand until I'm ready to use them. I'm going to go ahead and stick it in there. All right, now we've got some metal spacer beads. Where's our spacers? There they are. And these ones are in rose gold color. So I'm going to get my metal bits, including my spacers and all that in here. And then we've got some lever back ear wires. They are silver plated brass, which means I can wear these with no problem, but I cannot use them in gifts for my sister. And that's fine because I can use it. Beading cable. Then we've got this Czech glass mix, which I will sort in a minute. I'm going to set it aside for now. But then we've got some Ava beads. Now, Ava beads are multi-hole beads. And they're a V-shape. And this is why they're called Ava beads. But you've got holes in the top, and then you've got another hole in the bottom. And it makes it so that you can maybe have a bead sitting between them in this section, and then you can have them going around, maybe making a little snowflake shape with some seed beads in between them. I don't know, it's just an idea, but I'm probably going to be using them maybe to make some snowflake earrings. That's oh, there's one more in my bag. Don't forget to unbag all of them, Becky. All right. Then we've got some Czech Rondell nuggets. Is that what these ones are? Or are these the nuggets? Oh, smooth Rondels. Okay. So these must be the Rondell nuggets? Nope, nope, nope. These are the twist nuggets. So there's twist nuggets and Rondell nuggets. Okay, and then the smooth Rondell. So these are the Rondell nuggets. They are a bright, bright cherry red. They are going right in here. I don't know what to do with orange beads with this color palette. It'll be fine though. I'm sure I'll figure something out. Okay, so then there's the twist nuggets here, and these are red and green. I'll lump them out, right? So the Rondell nuggets, the twist nuggets, we've got some smooth Rondells right here. Wait, no, these are the smooth Rondells. All right, and then Czech glass round 6mm and 4mm. I'm only seeing the 6mm. I don't see any 4mm in here. So I don't know if it just got left out or what. But let's go ahead and get this guy in here. And it looks like this is like clear with purple. It's kind of an icy color. All right, and then we've got some puffed coin beads. And these are beautiful. Look at these. Gorgeous, gorgeous coin beads. It is like walking in a winter wonderland right now. All right, and then we've got a 10mm crystal Rivoli. There. I'm gonna go ahead and stick it in here with the special beads. We've got some spring clasps. They're 6mm and they are rose gold plated. I'm gonna stick this in here with the other rose gold bits. Actually, I'm going to just put all of my metals together in one section, since there aren't that many of them, because that way I can sort. Oh, and there's a 3-strand tube clasp, and it is magnetic, but it's got 3 connectors on each side, so you can do a multi-strand bracelet or necklace. And then just slide that through as the connector. It's pretty easy to open and close. All right. Stick that in there because I'm probably going to be using it. And then there is the 11-0 seed beads, which, yeah, there it is. Looks like a nice bright red color. Silver lined ruby. If you needed to buy more. And this right up here. And let's sort this Czech glass mix, because I'm going to sort it into red and green, probably white. All right. So we've got some larger round beads, some medium round beads. Whoop, where are you going, buddy? Don't slide off of there. And then we've got some kind of nuggety kind of beads. like that. Some fun nugget shapes. Ah, look, there is a top drilled lentil in there. Right there. Interesting. We've got a bunch of daggers. You've got short daggers, you've got longer daggers. There are several red daggers, and this would be really fun in a design, I think. Having all those daggers. You've got a couple of these. They're not quite bicones. I guess they're more like squat bicones. You've got this deeper, darker red. You've got this piggy bead, and a piggy bead has two holes. It's like a cup button, but the holes are a little bit on the side. They're not centered. Got some that are kind of brownish, maroon colors, some little oval beads, some smaller rondelles. But yeah, okay, so that's the red side, and then on the green side we have some like marbly type beads. They're kind of a little bit on the gorgeous side. Love that color. We've got some of these like pressed rondelle kind of beads that look like little puffy clouds. And these are white beads. I'm going to stick these white beads in the same section that I have these pearl petals over here. And then we've got one of our little like lozengey type chiclet looking guys. We've got some these simple cut. Czech glass. They have softer facets. They are not round. We have several of those. We have several of these small 6mm rounds. I don't know. I don't know sizes. I'm guessing. And then we have some fire polish in three different colors. There's this dark emerald. We've got this light yellowy color, kind of a peridot color, and then kind of a smoky light color as well. So that's our Czech mixes. I'm going to put my greens over here in the middle. And I'm going to put my reds over here on the side. And that is the Winter Luminescence Treasure Edition Best Bead Box. All together. Sorted. And this is going to be a lot of fun for us to make with this holiday season. Thanks for watching. Bye.